इंद्रियेभ्यः परं मनो मनसा सत्त्वम् उत्तमं सत्त्वात् अधिमहानात्मा महतो व्यक्तम् उत्तमम्. Verse 7 Kathopanishad. The mind stands above the senses. Farther on are its intelligences. The great self is in the beyond, and the obscure superior surpasses them all. It is this sense of superior or higher than self that forms the spirit or a notion of a family and thus a home. I am Architect Chaitanya of DS Studios from Hyderabad, and this is the architecture narrative of a house RH23 or Kavuri Residence that we have designed on a plot of 16,000 square feet area in the posh locality of Jubilee Hills here in Hyderabad. Before I start, please note that you can download the full PDF ebook of this house with detailed floor plans, photographs, and fact file from Buildofy.com. The link is mentioned in the description below. For family, one in life bears many burdens: the weight of society, that of politics, of financial stability, of future, that of staying healthy, of meeting the expectations, and also never forgetting, ethics, reality, empathy, the weight of humanity, and faith. And this is a never-ending list. As a child, I heard the story of Lord Krishna protecting his family and cattle from the floods by shielding them under a mountain that he lifted on his little finger. It is much later that I realized that this is a metaphor for family, where burdens should be carried easily and effortlessly. I wanted every member of the family who enters the house to feel a sense of protection and the safety of a home, as if they were standing under that mountain. This architecture is a characterization of one such individual, my client. He loves his family unconditionally and makes it look absolutely effortless in doing so, like the Lord himself. Set on a rectangular plot of 80 feet by 200 feet and flanked by roads on three sides but west, the building occupies half the plot, retaining the rest for landscape and driveway. The architecture borrows upon Brutalist style, known for its massive, monolithic, raw finished structures devoid of archaic beautifications. Built of precast concrete technology, the aesthetics are annotated by volumes, geometry, and of course concrete. It stands bare and honest. With century-like heavy-set walls and massive volumes, this monolith of a house hovers on a thick slab over glass walls, creating a deep-set, recessed entrance. These walls, also seen as planes, are constructed in an orthographic manner, transversely in the first floor and longitudinally in the second, creating public, semi-private and private spaces of the house. The ground floor hosts public and semi-private spaces like the lobby, the drawing and the living, the dining, and two kitchens along with service areas. Large span clear glass surrounds these spaces, connecting them to the gardens around. Landscaped by Navin Associates, the gardens are clear and uncluttered. The first floor is rather private, with the sleeping quarters along with their own elaborate dresses and baths. It also has the puja centrally located and shaded terraces all around. Abutting each bedroom is a private courtyard from where light and air is borrowed. The second floor is a semi-private space with a state-of-art home theatre and a bar that opens to a large terrace for parties, should such occasion arise. The interior is composed of bare concrete walls, warm wood doors and stairs, Italian marble flooring and ample glass to bring in the season's colors. Every comfort imaginable, from home automation to smart lighting, to motorized blinds to drain vac, this house has it all and can be controlled through an app on their mobile phones. Everything is of dynamic nature. It was said by a famous painter, Paul Klee, and I believe that these dynamics can be altered, controlled, or let loose if it means to protect the loved ones. Everything in this house is for the family. The family is protected, strengthened, cared for, and loved. Thank you for listening, and in case you have any queries, please post them below in the comment section, and I would be happy to respond them as much as possible.